Okay guys, so you know how I'm bitching about people waiting too long to actually repair their vehicle? Hello mate.
Hello mate. Are you talking about me?
I am now. So you first heard this noise what, before Christmas?
Yeah, then it went away.
Then it went away. Problems never go away. They just get masked by something else.
I've been really busy, yeah. Show them.
So I'll let you grab the camera. And okay, so I just I haven't undone any lug nuts, okay? But let's go top to bottom. That is a wheel bearing that is absolutely destroyed.
Told you, when I wear something out, I really wear it out.
Oh my lord.
What are we going to find when we get in there though?
Probably pieces.
I hope the disc's alright. It wasn't that bad, it just made a noise every now and again.
Yeah, but we're going to buzz this off and see how bad it actually is.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so the reason I took it apart is I wanted to check ball joints and everything else just in case more damage has been done. And as you can see, the rotor is actually, you know, it hasn't moved, but you can see the actual movement. There's a good 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch movement in that bearing, so it's gone.
It's gone.
So we're going to get one right now, and they're like 260 bucks. Alrighty, cheers guys.
So, Rick, do you think that wheel bearing will be okay for another week? What do you think?
Let me grab a look. You might even get 2 weeks out of this. Yeah. I think you'll be good. We'll just throw the wheel back on.
I think that's done. That's royally done, isn't it?
Okay, guys, so all I did was pull the 2 bolts off the caliper housing and pull everything out as one. Now I can just lean it up, the whole thing up here and not have to worry about it. I did have to heat the bolts just slightly, like literally just slightly to get them out. So now I just got the little key that holds the rotor on. It's a Torx bit. And hopefully, oh, yep, nice. Usually they're seized and they're a bitch to get out. But, get this out, rotor off, and let's see the damage. Okay. Oh, you're good. Mr. Bloke, that's perfect.
I think I got my use out of that one, didn't I? Hey, took that one right to the end.
Yup.
Okay, we get that.
Just got to get a flathead screwdriver, pop this cap off, and the center bolt.
Then we'll have a look at it.
Yep.
Okay then, mate.
Alright guys, so with a little bit of 2-pound persuasion, we got this out. And this is what it looks like now. Just nothing there.
Whoops. That's not that bad.
Oh no, she's almost good. She's good as gold. So I'm gonna put some anti-seize on it, so when I put this back in,
no, the new one.
Or the,
we're not putting that one back in, bud. You're not putting anti-seize on that and putting it back in. Yeah, I know you said I could get another week out of it, but fucking that's taking a piss.
But yeah, the new one I'll put some anti-seize just in case when it comes time to replace the front axle, because that'll end up going in the next year or two.
No, it won't. No, it won't. No.
Or we'll find out about it after.
After, yeah, when it falls off, probably.
Yeah, when it's ready to fall off.
So yeah, well, at least I did get. I got a good time out of that one.
Oh, look at the, that's huge. That's a lot.
Told you it was making a noise.
Like, I've never seen one this bad. That's why I had to look at it so good in the light.
I thought it was a lump of ice first.
Yeah.
Clunking. Yeah. No, not.
Nope.
Buggered.
Another one for the scrap pile.
Right, let's get the new one on then.
Yeah, buddy. Really? Oh, big stretch.
I'm gonna sleep.
Well, got Bloke's truck all done. No more grindy.
No, I'm gonna miss that noise. I didn't hear it. I just turned the stereo up.
Yeah, I turned the stereo up. And the exhaust, you can't hear it.
Yeah, easy fix. Just turn up stereo.
Yep. Alrighty, guys, just slapped her back together, plugged it back in, and away it goes. 3 bolts. Not a very hard job, but I did have to pull it back apart because I put the rotor backing plate on backwards.
That's my fault though, because I was talking to you too much.
I know, eh?
Even I looked at it and thought it was on the right way.
Alrighty, guys, cheers. Another day. Actually, tonight I have to do a oil pan on that Entourage. That Hyundai Entourage. I know I called it a... What did I call it before? Elantra before. Ah, same crap.